You are going to love the 2010 Elantra Touring. The Elantra Touring's unique design was created to do more than just look good. The taunt design contributes to low coefficient of drag for improved fuel economy and less road noise. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, braking assist, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, tachometer, one-touch windows, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.